What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Flutterflow platform and its features. Flutter is a great platform that you can use to design revolutionary apps on any device such as mobile device and web and tablets and stuff like that. And it's really intuitive UI, and it allows you to create great applications without coding. It's basically the future of like coding and app designing, and lots of applications and lots of work opportunities require Flutter experience. Now let's get right to it. You need to go to their website, that's flutterflow.io, and you'll land on their homepage right here, where they give you like a sneak peek of the interface and how you can use it to create like designs and design applications with a drag and drop method here. And you'll get some services that are using, or some platforms that are using their services, as well as some features that you can view and like grasp the platform in action. And here some of the apps that were designed or designed using Flutterflow, as well as some testimonials and some examples and stuff like that. Now here, of course, this service is not free, so let's take a look at the pricing really quickly. Here you have a free plan where you can start building and testing the applications. You have the standard plan, which is for discount, it's like $30, and I can get it for $12 as a discount. You can use it to download your project source code or APK, applications for Android. And you have the pro plan and you have the themes. Now these of course are for the monthly prices. You can save more by paying annually, and you can here see the features for each plan, and you can compare them to choose which one is best for you. For now, let's go ahead and create an account. You can create an account for free, or you can start a free trial for any of the paid accounts, or click here to start for free. So we are going to click here, start for free. It'll open up in a new tab. And here you are redirected to create an account. You can sign in with Google, with Apple, or GitHub, with Microsoft, or you can sign up with your email address and password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email and password and then continue to create my account. Okay, now my account is created. I'm redirected to my main dashboard where I can start creating, and it gives you like a brief tutorial here that I can drag widgets into canvas to create into a black canvas that is like my application black canvas, and I can drag and drop elements to this blank canvas like a footer, a header, or like a main body, main title, and so on. So I can scroll through this tutorial here, and I can also edit any of the elements that I added, and I can edit the theme settings. I can start the full tutorial to get a grasp of how it works. So let's click here to start tutorial, and it gives you like an on-screen tutorial of the elements. Now here they give you by default like an iPhone screen. You can change the device size right here from a phone, a tablet, or a computer. Okay, let's minimize this tutorial. Now here is the main interface. Now you have here control over any elements. You have, for example, some elements are added by default. You can click on it to edit anything. Like this element right here, I can like highlight, get the text here, click on it. I can change it if I want to. Now this says highest rated. Let's change it to test app. As you can see, it changes in real time. And I can also change the opacity of the text if I want to. The expansion, I can change the padding, I can change the font, and I can change the style and the alignment and anything. So let's here change the font, for example. Let's say Roboto. Okay, and the font size, let's increase it to like 40. Okay, now it's bigger. And also the style and the alignment, and also text color. Let's make it like primary text color. Let's change it to this color right here. Okay, looking good. Now this is the fun part. You can use drag and drop to add as many elements as you want to. Let's add, for example, an image here. Drag and drop it right here, and you can like drag it, expand it. You can do whatever you want with it. And here on the right you have the controls. So here I can add an image if I want to. The image here is added like an empty container with a test image. Now here I can change it if I want to. And of course I can add my own image. Here you have the image type, network, or asset or upload file. So if I click on upload file, and so as you can see, I can control each setting of this element. So let's delete it. Here, if I click on delete, I can delete it. Let's add a button. For example, drag and drop a button. Here it says button. I can drag it like anywhere I want to. I can expand it. I can change the position if I want to. So like here, okay, I can replace it. Replace this like widget. So the button now fills in the whole space. And if I click on it, I can edit the settings from the tab on the right here. Scroll down, I can edit the text. So let's say try me. Okay, and the title small, I can edit the style. Let's say title large. Okay, I need to change the primary color to view it here. Okay, and as you can see here, I can view also how it will look like on a mobile, a tablet, or a full computer screen. So that's pretty cool. Now I can also add ready-made layout elements such as row, a column, a card, spacer, page review, and others. So let's add, for example, a swipeable stack right here. Okay, let's replace the button and let's zoom in. Okay, looking good. Now here it adds like images that are stacked that I can like scroll through and view all of them, and I can also click on them to change them all if I want to. Now here I can add images and add the path for the images right here, and I can add also icons. Let's drag an icon here. Now, as well as dragging elements, I can choose the page where I want to add the element. Now, this app by default has only a home page. I can add pages if I want to. Now here I can view the widget tree. So you can see which elements are parented or like stacked to any of them. And like here I can view the storyboard for my application. Now I can connect a Firestore. I can connect also a view the data types and stuff like that. Now let's go back to the build. Here I have the widget, I have the components. I can add ready-made components like a home card, for example. So let's add this home card right here. Now it's added. I can also change any element, and I can, let's minimize the tutorial. I can also drag and replace elements. I can scroll here through to see how my app looks like. I can scroll through like the page itself, and I can edit any element right here. And once I am ready to like view the project in action, here it says that there are 2 issues with the project. I can click on them to like view them and correct them, and here I can preview how it looked like in action in real time as if I was using it. Okay, looking pretty good. Now I can share it here, or I can like go out of the preview. Let's go back to the main tab. Here I can test it, run a test and publish my application, and all of the actions are saved by default, so I don't have to worry about like saving any action that I do. Now my projects are saved right here. I can open them at any time to like change any element and edit any elements if I want to. So that was like a quick overview of the Flutter platform and its different features.